Hi guys, this is Josh here, and for today's video guys, I'm going to show you on how to connect your DT100 smartwatch to your smartphone. Let's go! Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Josh here, and for today's video guys, I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to connect your DT100 smartwatch to your smartphone. Alright guys, so all we just have to do is we're going to get our manual and scan this QR code here. Alright, and let's open Chrome. And it says there guys, App Store. Alright, and we're going to download Wear Pro. So tap on Get. Alright, and let's install this one. Okay, it's already installed guys, so let's tap open. Wear Pro would like to use Bluetooth, so tap OK. Alright, so in our case guys, so let's just try to tap on anonymous login. Okay, just to give you a quick tutorial guys, but you can also link this one, or you can log in through your Google account, okay, in the first page. So this is now the Wear Pro application. So we have me, your information, unit setting, Apple Health, dial display, and we also have your sports, okay, and also your health. It's in here. Now let's tap on add device guys. So let's search for bound devices. Okay, so it detected smartwatch, so let's tap on that one. So let's tap on pair. Okay, turn on. You can turn on our location. Already turned on. Allow while using app. Okay, go to. There's a new firmware guys, so let's try to tap on upgrade. Confirm. Okay, so our watch, as you can see there, it's already here, and it says they're connected, and the upgrade of firmware, it's ongoing. So it's 91%. So guys, for us to make sure that our DT100 smartwatch is connected successfully, let's tap on Find Watch. Alright, so as you can see, it shows us a notification. Okay, and it says there, watch is found. Okay, so it's very easy guys. So as you can see, our watch is already connected. So if you have any questions guys, just comment down below, and I will actually upload more tutorials on our DT100 smartwatch, so stay tuned on that. So once again guys, this is Josh, and I will see you in our next video.